So I just went into one of our upstairs rooms, and there's a bird in there, and I'm gonna have to go in there with a blanket and try to catch. I'm gonna take a blanket. I'm gonna try to go in there and capture it. Now it's a very dangerous situation because birds are fucking murderous creatures, and I actually fear for my life, which is why I have this on. So if I die from this bird, I just want to tell everybody that you're all fucking assholes. Oh my god. Okay. Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus. Oh my god. Okay, bird. Relax. It's alright. Don't kill me. I'm just trying to help. Woo! Oh my god. Oh, Jesus. Oh, damn it. Come on, bird. Chill out. Chill out. Relax, relax, relax. God damn it. I'm scared. Oh, geez, you're gonna fucking knock yourself out. God, that was fucking quick. Good moving and shit. Oh, it bounced on the ground. Oh, it's gonna. You're hurting yourself. Relax. Ah. Come on. Relax. Ah. Fuck is it? Oh. All right. Relax. Don't bite me. Don't bite me. Relax, relax, relax. I got him. Relax. Stay. Stay. Get. All right. Okay, buddy. Don't. There you go. Ready? Oh. All right. He seems to be a little dazed and confused. He probably fucking clunked his brain a little bit. I'm gonna leave him there and hopefully he gets better. I don't know if you can see that, but that was the bird flying away. So all's well that ends okay and stuff.